India was among 19 countries that abstained from voting on a resolution at the United Nations General Assembly on Thursday demanding a ceasefire in Gaza. Addressing the United Nations, India's permanent representative Ambassador Parvathineni Harish emphasized that diplomatic solutions are the only viable path to peace.
Mr. President, this resolution comes against a backdrop of the worsening humanitarian situation in Gaza. India is deeply concerned at this deepening humanitarian crisis, and we condemn the loss of civilian lives. I would like to stress that India has always been on the side of peace and humanity. We have repeatedly called for protection of civilians and upholding of humanitarian obligations. We call for safe, sustained, and timely supply of humanitarian assistance to the people of Gaza. On our part, India has always provided humanitarian assistance to the people of Gaza, both bilaterally and through the United Nations. We also believe that release of remaining hostages and a ceasefire are important to ameliorate the humanitarian situation in Gaza. Our collective voice should echo this. India's abiding commitment to dialogue and diplomacy is well known, and we firmly believe that this is the only way forward. Continuing accusations and argumentation hinder the path to peace. India has always supported a negotiated two-state solution to the Israel-Palestine issue, leading to the establishment of a sovereign, independent, and viable state of Palestine, living within secure and recognized borders, side by side, in peace with Israel. For this, we need to work towards creating conditions for early resumption of direct peace negotiations. We hope this August Assembly will send a clear message to expand the prospect for dialogue and diplomacy towards restoration of peace and bringing the humanitarian crisis in Gaza to an end. Mr. President, India had earlier abstained in the vote on resolutions A/RES/77/247 and A/RES/79/232. Our vote today is in continuation of this, in the belief that there is no other way to resolve conflicts but through dialogue and diplomacy. Our joint effort should be directed towards bringing the two sides closer. For these reasons, we would abstain on this resolution.